Hey, Alexis, Love Beauties and Flawless Man. Welcome back to another podcast episode. We're going to have a raw and uncut conversation. Stop trying to match energy. Do them how they do you. Vengeance. An eye for an eye. You do something to me, I got to do it back to you. You are not going to win. You cannot manipulate a manipulator. You can't. People think that when they get done wrong, when they finally get the revelation that somebody's a narcissist or somebody is an abuser or whatever revelation that they get, they feel like that they can get their revenge. They deserve their revenge. And I see people online actually talking about that. I just seen EK, and we all know she crazy. I just seen EK, and I'm saying that because she is wild. I'm not gonna lie. I just don't put that word on people, but she really wild. Like the way that women are online teaching other women, they're teaching them how to be exact whores. The way that men are online teaching about group, people are teaching people how to hate people. The men are teaching the women how to hate the men and they're married. The women are teaching the men how to hate women and they single. The women is teaching the women how to hate men and they got little low key relationships or they in situationships or they getting passed around. Like the guru culture is wild in this generation. Everybody think that that's some type of guru. And really when you look at it and you hear it, it's nothing but hate and division. Then people think that they can get that get back. Cardi B thinks she can get her get back. I'm glad we realizing that, like, when you look at people's lives and their situation, don't laugh at them, but use it for wisdom. That's not get back. You can't use your womb as get back. Like, how do you get out of a toxic relationship, go into another toxic relationship, then get pregnant, and then you think that you're winning? We don't win like that. We lose every single time. You cannot get revenge. You cannot match energy. Do we know what that means? Everybody kept saying, I'm a match energy, I'm a match energy, I'm gonna do what they doing. Okay, think about that. If somebody is out here firing on everybody with a hair with a messed up hairline, or if everybody is out here slapping somebody if they lace front is lifting, you're going to match that energy. You can't be matching energy. So if somebody is evil, that means you're gonna be evil. You can't do what they do. You ever try to do something that somebody else is doing and did not work for you? You can't do what they do. We're not trying to do what they do. We're not trying to be like them. We're trying to be like God. Stop trying to match people's energy. That means in order for you to match their energy, you have to go low to the pits of hell. Think about that. Think about the last person you interacted with and it was a bad situation. You was like, bro, I'm finna get mine back. What are you getting out of that? The pleasure of seeing them fail? But it'll never be what God does. So I always tell people be so mad at me for walking away from situations I could have crashed out in, but that's just what it is. I could have crashed out in. Why would somebody even give you advice that's going to have you in danger? Stop the eye for an eye. Stop the matching energy. Don't do what they're doing. Don't let people lead you astray, especially the internet. Don't let the internet lead y'all astray in y'all relationships and girl telling y'all, oh, well, they cheated on you. Well, this is what you do. I've seen this from 4 or 5 different content creators. If somebody cheat on you, you go cheat on them, get something, and bring it back to them. Don't break up with them, huh? Do y'all not see people losing their life every single day? But they don't care about that. That's not what the internet cares about. Everybody is so desensitized, it doesn't even matter. We literally sitting there watching stuff happen to people and it's just like, oh my God, like I can't. We're not supposed to be looking at that stuff. Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man, don't match energy. That's not a good term. That's not a good thing. Standing on business is a good thing. That's a good term. Standing on business is I'm standing on what I said. I'm solid in what I said. I'm confident. I'm backing with proof of what I'm doing. No, I'm not going to match energy. No, I'm not finna be out here slapping people and I'm standing on that. If somebody be rude, I'm just going to figure out another way to not be rude. I want y'all to be careful, especially myself online and stuff, with the information we getting and hearing from people, because it sound good, it look good, and then like I said, I just caught another content creator. She was saying the same thing. She's hating men every day. Well, this why you should do it. This how you should use a man. And if a man ain't doing this and a man ain't doing, but then she just came out with a whole nother video where she had 2 different lives where she was all looking like a bum That's what she was acting like. For real. Like, she was all shaking, acting like she couldn't control herself, looking around the room like she got the shiver, looking like she's on drugs or something. Without a man, that's what the title said. This is how I am without a man. And then she shows the next clip. This is how I am with the man. She's happy. She's getting her hair and nails done. Her skin is going. She at the beach. Learn how to do those things for yourself. Like I said, them be the same people that be talking about some, oh yeah. And that's what she be telling, like, man is this, man is that. Be the bigger person. Be the wiser person. Know how to walk away from things. Know how to cut things off. Know how to tell people I'm good, love, and joy. Know how to stand on real business. Don't be out here matching people's energy. When you match that energy, you get what they're getting. Whatever type of things is going to come back to them, when you match their energy, it's going to come back to y'all. Don't match nobody's energy. You got your own energy, your own power for what it is that you're supposed to be doing. You are not them. Don't match no energy. Be careful listening to these gurus and relationship coaches. This whole generation is stuck on gurus and relationship coaches. That's all everybody's teaching about: relationship. And nobody telling you about your mental health before you get in a relationship. How to have consensual relationships. How to find your type. How to build boundaries. How to... Come on, man. So, Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man, I love y'all. Be careful with the relationship advice online. Don't match nobody energy, because that's taking too much of your precious energy. I love you and God bless you.